I think.
Shoot him.
Who did it? Who did it?
She was gonna die to this guy, so I hit him. So I hit him, but it hit her, and she died.
Reboot
She's
the save.
dead as hell, Tyler. Now what?
Reboot the save.
Are you supposed to tame her, Jonathan, huh?
I don't know, but I'll find a way. I can change her. I can
You're like,
change
damn,
her.
she's eating him. She's fucking eating him.
Dude, it looked like it. Don't tell me it didn't. Oh,
Opened
you see
up.
that man right
Well, I'm
there?
using a whole percent of my CPU, dog. That's crazy.
You could be just standing there.
I'm not
It's
the
using
GPU, I'm
50,
using the
53% of my CPU. Oh, John, he coming.
Oh, that's crazy. He about to get a shocky stick. Come here.
I went down.
Kicked your teeth in.
He won. I'm going home. I'm going home.
Oh, someone help me! Someone help me!
That's crazy, Millie. You far.
I'm about to down Jonathan and leave him to die.
Oh my god.
Man, that's
Hey, John, I want you to know your
hard.
meat's burning. Oh, it's tarred.
Just crisp.
A big man walked up. Jonathan's like, I'm gonna stun him. Jonathan walked up and that man kicked him in the teeth
He
and sent
fucking
him flying.
Spartan kicked me backwards.
Some of you will die. That is a sacrifice I'm
I'm
willing to make.
Make.
Like, we should just let Jonathan go by himself.
I fucking hate this.
Wow.
I hate scary things.
Oh, yeah?
Pokemon is like the scariest thing I've ever played.
Pretty sure we're gonna need the rebreather for this.
Is there a rebreather in this game?
Yeah.
Jonathan ain't got the rebreather, don't he, Malik? He wasn't there with us.
Well, Jonathan, that's fucking crazy.
Middle mouse click. Jonathan may be able to make that. May be able to make that.
No.
Please fucking tell me that's down there, because that scared the fucking
It is down here, Jonathan, because it scared
Holy
the crap out of
fucking shit.
me.
I pressed
I
E so
am about
fast to go into the cave. Holy fucking shit. Oh my
Jonathan,
god.
I came up out of the water and I just hear that,
I'm not even
but I
down
didn't have
there,
my
and
flashlight
heart
on yet.
sank, and I just looked around and I'm like, please do not come out of these bushes and fucking rape me. Please.
Has more.
Hey, another air tank. Oh, clothes!
Diving
Wetsuit.
flippers?
Well, they just be standing here.
Is that
huh?
down there still?
Yes,
Yeah.
it's down here.
Because it don't sound like it. Alright, I'm so fucking terrified right now.
I'm so fucking scared right now.
No, that literally, I'm so fucking scared right now. Like, I hate this. I feel like I'm being watched. I'm so fucking scared.
No, you're not. You're just doing it for the content.
No, I'm
Alright.
fucking terrified right now.
The double pointer, he's in the corner.
Oh.
Slug it.
What do I do in here? Is there anything? Have you guys found
my
anything?
fucking god.
No, just like
You guys go in the
loot,
water.
normal loot.
It won't
Yeah,
let
you
me
have to
get
go
my
in loot.
axe out. There we go.
Normal, just normal loot.
Bro, I can't do this shit.
No.
So how far is the rebreather
Oh,
in
my
this
guy's
thing?
hungry.
You'll get to a part where you can't go any farther without the rebreather. Because it'll just be a big old lake. Wait, there's a guy over here.
So we can go dig at the places now.
Well, there was a place close
There's
to here
two
that you have to dig
places.
at.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
don't
there's the-
really need a shovel, right?
I mean,
Probably not.
yeah, we
That's
can just
great.
dig.
That's great. That's so good.
I know.
Yeah, so I'm ready to sleep when you guys are. I got a little tent in front of me. Please hit that Z button as quick as possible. I'm fucking
Someone put a
terrified.
tent up. Someone put a tent up.
I'm at the cave entrance. My cord for my headphones tickled my leg, and I about lost my shit. Please go to bed.
I'm sleeping.
I'm sleeping.
Wait for Jonathan. Oh no. Oh, there we go.
Oh, I was about to say. Oh wait, everywhere save right here too.
Yeah.
Save.
Fuck that shovel, dog. I wasted a lot of ammo
Water.
in that cave. The skinny man ran at me. I let him have it. I might have missed a few shots, but
What, straight this way?
wait,
Next to where the
oh
where
hell
did this
nah.
storm come
Hell nah. I'm logging on.
Wait,
I'm
what?
done. I'm going home. I'm gonna sit with Kevin and we're gonna cuddle.
You don't sound
Hell
that.
no. Hell no.
Over here.
from? Does anybody else see Kelvin moving, or is he dead over there?
Danny Phantom. That's
Bro, fuck Kelvin.
where's it at?
There's a baby?
Oh my god, pull up at the crib, bruh.
Literally.
Oh my lord.
Oh, motherfucker had a
Another
portrait
printer.
with a samurai
800.
sword on? Jeez,
Dude, I'm
what
not.
the hell?
I'm not leaving. This is my new home. Fuck that.
Bro, he had the fucking bike?
Get
I got a
that
maintenance
bed.
card. I got
Bro, let
red.
me hit a set.
Red? Oh,
Red over here.
I found the man.
Oh, shit.
What?
Hey, we got a tuxedo! We about to
is-
be
what?
looking spiffy.
How
Where?
was the? Oh.
Oh, yeah, boy.
How do you put it
Yeah,
on?
boy.
How do you put it on?
Where's he? Where is
Oh
he at?
my
We
god!
looking good
Willie,
now.
You, like, dripped out.
I got
How do
red
you
card
put
in
it
my
on?
hand.
I got red card.
Sam Sound, Bennett line.
Look, you don't.
I
Was
got a
it-
laser sight.
Was the guy in the first game's name
Discovered that a
Sam
painting
Sound?
from Mr. Puffton's personal collection has gone missing. If anyone has any information, please talk to me directly.
What is this right here? E. We got a laser sight. Let's go.
Hey, it's another printer.
I got an
Oh, yeah.
album
There's
cover.
800 in it. Someone could put some in and make a sled if they want it.
Ramen noodles. Oh, what was the name of the guy that first
Look at all
did
this
it?
raw meat.
No idea.
Raw meat right there.
Thought
This
you were
the
the
guy?
lore guy.
I got an
I
album.
had no
What?
I
idea.
got crunchy onesies.
Literally. Munchies. Munchies.
There's a bunch of put the weapon. Yeah, literally. I'm about to go. Oh yeah. He thinks he can wash up. I'm about to show him.
But
You
it's
don't
the mighty
deserve
fire
it.
axe.
Yeah. Oh, he dodged. He cleaned with
The
it.
mighty fire axe.
Damn, how you are.
He beating the tar out of me. He beating the tar out of me.
The tar out of him.
Holy shit, he's a god.
You better
Get
open up your
up
loot box
in
then.
them.
But if I get something that I can't hold,
What is
then
that? He's just watching us.
Hey, yo, bro.
I decided to take action.
Let's befriend him. Hey, man, what's up? That's a cool mask.
He swung on me first. You saw it.
Oh, you
Chop
saw
his
it.
limbs off!
What?
Let me some.
He's just gonna dig up these graves.
There's loot in them. I digged up
Ow!
another one.
Oh my god.
Ow! Ow!
Oh,
Ow!
they got it. Come on.
Oh my god, you sent him flying.
I'm about to die.
He was dripped out.
Poke. Poke it. Poke.
Need some meat. Some HP back. He almost killed me.
Tyler, come here. Tyler, look at him. Oh my god. One of them has
He's
a.
got no pants on.
What is that on his head? Is that a bunch of intestines?
We got cans, some shit.
Hey guys,
Yeah.
there's just they're pulling up on us.
So we're just all throwing shit out because we can't pick it up.
Look at that
We're
man.
just- Are we going home? Try to get the shovel, bitch. Try to get the shovel. Try to get the shovel, huh? Try to get the shovel. Try to get the shovel.
Holy, you got stunted on, son.
Hey, yo.
It's so comedic. The knockback is great.
Hey, yo. Try to get the shovel.
I can't handle
Try to
me.
get the shovel. Try to get the shovel.
Doug.
Nah, it's best to kill stuff with buckshot. It adds a little extra flavoring.
Take the lead
As long as they're
bullet.
copper BBs, not lead.
No, lead's the best when you want a little crunch.
The lead poisoning in his deer meat. Oh.
All bloody.
When we gonna get the thing that shoots the arrows? Oh, crossbow right here.
Hey, yo.
Damn, that's crazy. When are we gonna get that thing that shoots the? Never mind.
Where is it?
And
I
you
wish
wrong
I could
guy?
stop
My bolts are
examining it.
full.
It's not that confusing.
Is it on the guy or?
Anything else?
Ooh! Oh, that scared the crap. Oh, I want to use that crossbow.
Ow. Poke. Poke.
Where's the crossing in your inventory?
The left-hand side.
Oh. Oh.
My guy won't stop examining it.
That's what I'm saying. He just fucking sits there. He's like,
Where the hell is it? Oh,
hell
left
is
side?
this?
Am I gonna eat right now? I
Yeah,
You're
you
getting
kinda are.
the shit
My
beat out of you.
God.
I can't pick up any
You do.
arrows.
It's not
I'm
very
examining
good.
it.